walking water on our videos. And we like science projects, but this green is supposed to go in this cup, this orange is supposed to go in this cup to make a different color. And apparently this one is supposed to go in this, and this one is supposed to go in this, so you can make like a different, another color, and then this one is supposed to go in this, and this one is supposed to go in this, and they're gonna come into this cup and make another color too. But the purple and the pink and the orange and the green, they all rise up to the paper towel and go in here to the next cup, and then this one from here goes into this cup, and then like it pulls up, and that pulls up, and then it pulls up, and then it pulls up. And that's our walking water. And we just made a Skittle thing, but we haven't done it yet. Now we have to wait.
For what?
For it to go in the middle. Maybe. That's cool.
Okay, explain it.
So this is our Skittle maker. Ta-da! The Skittles, put more on it. Wait a few minutes and then it will come rising in, and it will look like this. Welcome back to Layla's video and Layla's channel. And this is how it turned out after a few days. And see how they went into different cups? Told you, because see the purple turned into blue right here, and it went down, and so did this one. And then this one kind of made green. This one kind of made orange. This is the only different color we had, but they all turned out pretty good. This one's kind of like a lighter. This one is lighter, and this is how it turned out. So it's pretty good. Now the video's over. Bye-bye. All done. Bye-bye. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button on the left. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye.